Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about Kartra's pricing plans. So a lot of people ask this because it's not really very obvious, it's not very public, to be honest with you, actually, and trying to find out how much Kartra charges is actually quite hard if you're using Google. The sort of funnel in, if you like, is to sign up for a free trial and then you find out how much everything is. So look at this. This is the back end of my Kartra account. Well, I've got a couple, but this is the back end of one. This one's just a small account on the starter account. So with this, you get 2,500 leads, 15,000 emails, and 50 gigabytes of bandwidth with one domain name. Now you can go over that, but then you're going to get charged overages. Case in point, if we look over here on the left hand side, I've gone over my 50 gig of bandwidth, probably because I've got quite a few videos that I chose to host with Kartra to make the most of the platform. That has ended up costing me a little bit extra. It's actually cost me not loads extra, to be honest with you, $6.54 for the month. And then also I'm being charged an extra $20 on top of the standard price that is $99 because I've got 3 domain names connected and you get one with the starter plan. Every other domain thereafter is $10. So you can have more domains, you're just going to have to pay out for them. So that's the starter plan, and then you can also, with this one, you can do a yearly, which equates to $79 a month. So it's pretty good value if you're doing a year. Then silver is $199 a month, and then $149 a month if you're going to do it yearly. You get more leads with that one. I've got this one on my other account, 125,000 emails to be sent a month, and then 12,500 leads. So what is that? That means that each lead can effectively get 10 emails. And then 125 gig of bandwidth. I've even managed to go over that actually, but I had a whole load of videos hosted in there. So, you know, for me, I went for the convenience of having it in one place over sort of having a Wistia account maybe, and maybe saving some money. I don't know, but it's just the way that I went. And then 3 domains, but you can again add a domain for $10. Going on that, it tells you down here. So also, once your lead count goes over the allocated amount of leads, so I'm allowed 2,500. Once I hit that, I'll automatically be moved up to silver here. So you can't stop yourself from being moved up. As if you're putting those leads in, you are going to be moved up. But hopefully you're making enough money to deal with that. But if you aren't, then you're going to have to go for your leads and maybe get rid of some dead leads, ones that just haven't opened an email in ages and just aren't really doing anything, and clear them out. Just keep clearing them out so that you stay on a lower plan. But hopefully you're making enough money not to worry about that. And then just down here, like it says, thereafter charges apply at 99 cents per extra 1,000 emails that you go over. So not hugely expensive either. 19 cents per extra gigabyte if you go over, and then $10 per extra custom domain. So nothing too scary, but obviously if you had a few videos that were big and being watched to death, then you could rapidly run up a big load of extra bandwidth charges. So you've got to be a little bit careful of that. Of course, you could just put it on a YouTube unlisted or something if you want to just keep it within a membership, as long as it's not super vital, your best training content that's only for paying customers. You don't need to worry too much. Put it on YouTube unlisted and then do that. Then we've got gold. If you want to do gold, that is $299 a month, or $229 if you go ahead and do the annual. Then platinum, we're getting into big league stuff here now. $500 a month, or $379 a month if you're doing a year. But you're getting 50,000 leads there, and then Kartra Diamond 100,000. Let's have a look how much that is now. So $699 a month, or you can do a yearly plan, which is $519. And then Enterprise is some pretty heavy duty stuff. 250,000 leads, 1 million emails, 600 gig of bandwidth, and 10 domains. You're looking at $1,000 a month, basically. Or if you're doing a yearly, $750 a month. But one thing I would say with Kartra is their email system is very good. The deliverability is very good, so do consider using it if you're doing a lot of emailing. And then, yeah, these other ones here, I guess are the same. I'm not sure they've, oh no, that one's 1 million leads. This enterprise is a million leads or 500,000 leads. So, and then at the top, you have this one, which is a Kartra agency. So that allows you to then start selling Kartra yourself effectively and then taking the profit difference. Or you can just have the customer sign up and then manage them under your own Kartra account over here where it says My Agency. So that's $1,000 a year to be on that, or you can do it monthly at $9.99. So those are your options with Kartra. Say overall it's pretty good value, and you know, you've just got to keep an eye on things here to make sure that you're not running up any crazy extra bills. So that is Kartra pricing explained. I hope you found that useful. If you're looking, by the way, for funnels that have been made in Kartra, let me just show you this now. My funnel shop here, which is up and operational, and you can get all of these Kartra funnels just whipped straight into your account. Just import them, and then you can start using them to make a lot more money and grow your business a lot faster. Take this one here. This is the webinar course selling funnel. I've done now, I mean, this is old. I've done over $600,000 of revenue with online courses actually using this funnel, and you can have it. Literally, it is just $397 and you get this entire funnel. But read all about it. I'll give you the link underneath this video. I think you'll find that this and the other funnels are going to be hugely helpful to save you time, get you up and running, and help you grow your business, which is what it's all about. So thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you found it useful, and I'll speak to you real soon.